thank you for watching. Today we're opening up Israel pack, and this subscription really comes from Israel. So this is the third one I believe I've received so far, and I absolutely love it. I actually made a recipe that we received in the very first box. So yeah, this box has been great from my experience. So today I'll just tell you a little bit about the box, the subscription service, and then we will get to unboxing. Just really quick, I want to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes so much and I open them every single day here on our channel. So if you love subscription boxes too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. We recently hit 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, you guys. I can't even believe it. I'm so excited. So we will have a big giveaway coming soon. Later tonight, I actually plan to get the whole prize package together. So if that does happen to be live before I post this unboxing, that will be linked down below and also in a pinned comment. But make sure that you have your notifications on set to all so you don't miss out on the giveaway video or any of my other upcoming videos. But now let's talk about Israel packs. Like I said, this comes from Israel. They did provide me with a link that if you use it, it will automatically apply 30% off your box, which comes out to be like $29.70, so that's huge savings. It is free shipping, but they do offer like an expedited shipping through DHL, so you get to select your shipping service when you check out. And inside you get 6 to 8 full-size items, and all of these items are geared to be like family friendly and are straight from the Holy Land. So they say specifically product is largely family oriented and helps the lovers of the Holy Land. So every month there's a theme, and I believe the theme for this box is melting pot, so I can't wait to see what's inside. I also recently learned that they are launching another subscription service. It'll be like this box but a mini version and costs $25 a month. I don't think I said the price of this box. It is expensive, but it's like $99, but also free shipping from Israel, so that costs a lot, and plus you get so much in this box. And with that promo code I was telling you guys about, or not promo code, that link that automatically applies 30% off, you save a lot of money. And they do have a referral program as well. But if you didn't want to spend that much, the mini box will cost $25. So I do have that box coming to me soon, so look out for that. But yeah, I'll leave all the information in the description box. Hopefully I'm not missing anything or rambling too much, but let's get started. This is what it looks like when I open up the box. Okay, yeah, it is melting pot. It says box theme, melting pot of cultures. And in here it says discover the products and creators. So they give like a little catalog of information. And for each item they tell you a lot about it, and I always say this when a box provides information, I love it. The more information the better, so that I can be more educated on the items, especially when they're coming from another country, so I can learn some more. And yeah, oh my god, this looks, I just saw one item and I'm like, oh yeah. And then there's another sheet of paper here that provides like some fun information. So every box you learn so much more about Israel. So it says Israel, a melting pot of cultures, languages, and traditions, a country built on immigration with a pioneering spirit. And then it talks about some facts. I won't read all of this because there's a lot on here. But did you know there are 8.66 million people in Israel? That was the total population this year in 2020. And it goes on and on. It talks about how they're a melting pot, a blending of cultures, faiths, hopes, and aspirations. The neighborhood I grew up in, Chicago, is considered the melting pot of Chicago. I heard that once. I didn't even know that when I was living there, and I found that out later. A random fact about me, but I think this is super interesting. I can't wait to read more about it later when I'm enjoying my items. And then everything is wrapped up in some tissue. Remember last box, everything was wrapped up individually. Oh, it is in this too. It's such a fun experience. So the first thing right on top, wrapped up in tissue, and there's a little card. It looks like there's something attached to all of them. Okay, I need to give you guys another sneak peek of how the presentation is. That is just wonderful. Packed so well, and then the little cards attached are so cute too, and there's brown paper string. On this one it says, bring me to life with color. Embark on a creative coloring journey to the land of Israel together with your kids. This coloring book will unleash creativity and inspire conversations about what Israel means to you. The artist's country of origin is Russia. Oh, so they say kids, but Adult coloring books are quite popular these days, so no matter what your age, you can use them. And it's like, I've heard it's really good for like anxiety and stuff like that, and I'm sure I'm not alone here with like needing a little bit of stress relief. Oh, cool. So it's called Fantastic Israel Coloring Book, A Creative Journey to the Land of Israel. How pretty is this? Let's just flip to a random page. Oh yeah, this is definitely adult or kid. Oh, and it gives you some information on the other page. So this is the Baha'i Gardens and Temple of Mount Carmel. Oh, my brother and my dad went to Mount Carmel High School in Chicago. I'm just like spitting out weird Chicago facts. But cool, yeah, all of the pages are like that. So you get something to draw and you learn more about what you're drawing. So there are different places in Israel. This is so cool. I love this. Like the fact that there's more information in here, like so you know what you're drawing, makes me like more likely to reach for it. Cause like I said, I love learning about things, so this is super cool. Let's move on though. There's so many things in here. Next up says, wear me on your finger. This real flower handmade jewelry was designed by nature. We only helped a little. There will never be two alike. High quality silver plated metal plus real pressed flowers from the Holy Land. Artist's country of origin is Ukraine. And it is in a little jewelry bag, which is nice. What's on there? It says white petal. Oh, and I didn't look at the little pamphlet that talks more about like the creators and stuff. Maybe I will for this item if I can get it out. Oh cool, there really is a flower pressed into it. I realized when I was editing a different video earlier that every time I lean forward, my like chair I'm in kind of creaks. So if you guys ever hear that, that's what it is. But this is really cool. So there's all this detailing on the side, and then there's a flower. And it could fit anyone because it's not a closed band. So I don't have any rings on. I'm pretty bad about rings. I always like take them off. But this is what it looks like. That fit really easily. So this is super cool and super unique. Let's see if it says like what the flower is on here. It just says this is by Diana. I won't even try and butcher her last name, but handmade jewelry with real flowers. And it has all of her information there for anyone interested. I'm just gonna glance in that little catalog we received. And here's what the page looks like for this. Oh, and it talks about Diana too. So there's the creator. That's really cool. I love knowing where my stuff comes from. So it talks about what it is, how it's adjustable sizing, care tips, and also Diana, who's the Israeli-based jewelry artist. Awesome. I'll definitely read this later. If I read it all now to you guys, I'll be here for a million years. But let's move on. It says, eat me. I love when I see that. I'm hungry. Eating healthy without compromising on taste. This guilt-free, delicious, and nutritious nut butter is a perfect accompaniment to your breakfast, baked desserts, or midday snack. The founder's origins are Israel and the USA. Rusty's limited edition. I love nut butters. I was just gonna say like peanut butter, but I love all different kinds. I want to put it like on Ezekiel bread. If you guys haven't tried that, Ezekiel bread's great because it has complete protein. If you had to like keep it frozen, I bet this will be really good. And yeah, you can see that it is really from Israel, everything. Awesome, I'm excited to try this. Oh, I see something that says, add me to your recipes. This aromatic spice blend will infuse your meals with Middle Eastern flavors, perfect for meat, chicken, fish, and rice. The taste is warm and spicy, slightly floral, and definitely something you'll be making again and again. The origins are North Africa. Ooh, Baharat is the flavor. In the first box I received, we got some spicy paprika, and I used that last night, and I really enjoy it, so I can't wait to incorporate this into my cooking. Next one says, add me to your coffee. I have coffee quite often. I'm actually filming a coffee subscription after this video. It says, prepare a coffee drink you might never have tried before. This sweet Yemeni spice, I've heard of Yemen, but Yemeni spice called hawaj is perfect for coffee and can be a killer addition to any baking recipe. It's warming, fragrant, and hard to pronounce. Country of origin, Yemen. Cool. I will definitely be trying this. I'm filming this at 5:30 p.m. and I shouldn't be having any more coffee tonight, but I definitely will tomorrow. And not gonna lie, I'm going with the bang energy today. I stopped at the gas station. I was like, it's one of those days. But we have 2 items left, it looks like. The next one says, apply me to your skin. This silky smooth and refreshingly pure natural facial serum restores your skin, giving it extra nourishments and antioxidants, and leaves you glowing from the inside out. Organic certified botanical actives are inspired by Native Americans. Ooh, the packaging is pretty. So Deep Essence Facial Serum made with Kellis, I'm not sure what that is, and ginkgo biloba capsules for all skin types. It has skin plumping rosemary, nutritional basil, and hydrating sage, a natural agent of omega-3. You guys know I love skincare. I'll have to read more about this later. Oh, is the packaging of the actual product really pretty too? Yes, I love how this looks. I also noticed, like, earlier when I was like, ooh, I saw an item that caught my eye. It was this. I saw skincare, and it talks more about it in here, so I can't wait to learn more about it and try it. So it has, like, a pump applicator. I love how it looks. It looks like there's, like, little, like, bubbles in it. It's probably, like, some of the, I don't know. No, yeah, it looks like bubbles. At first I was going to say maybe it's, oh, well, it could be ginkgo biloba capsules. I don't know, but let's put a little bit in my hand. So yeah, I don't see any of that on my hand. It looks clear. Oh, it feels really nice. A little bit goes a long way. Put some on both hands. Try and do skincare on my hands too. I heard that's a great thing to do preventatively. Let's move on to the last item here, and it says, drink me. While you enjoy smooth and aromatic flavor with notes of caramel and chocolate, we help the coffee growers to cope with global warming using advanced Israeli technology. Country of origin is Colombia. Is this coffee? I hope so. Oh man, I smell it. It's for sure coffee. I love the fragrance of coffee. Oh my god. Premium cafe from farm to cup. This is Agro Cafe, Colombian beans ground for coffee filter, roasted in Israel with love. I can't wait. Oh my gosh. Normally I would never say this, but I'm like looking forward to the morning. I'm not like a morning person. I will totally have this and add in that like coffee thing they're talking about. Or no, this is the other spice. The Hawaii whatever that's supposed to go in your coffee. And it says the Agro Cafe is an Israeli company that supports farmers and coffee growers from around the world to increase production and quality of their beans by using unique Israeli technology. By using Israel's unique irrigation and water system, Agro Cafe is able to bring you fresh coffee from the field to your cup. Oh, and there's 3 ideas for recycling your coffee grounds. I love that they provide that information. You can use it to fertilize organic plants. I can use it to fertilize my plants. I'm like surrounded right now on my desk. Or you could reduce refrigerator odors with the coffee grounds. And also this packaging is recyclable and reusable. Yeah, so it looks like it's a resealable bag. And you get 6 ounces in here. I am so excited, you guys. This is so good. I always love this box so much. I know it's like a more expensive box, but you get a lot of things and it's shipped from across the world, and shipping is not cheap. I just shipped something today just to North Carolina, and I'm in Florida, and it was like $10. So just think about what it would be, you know, to another country. And I love that we get some educational material. There's just so much stuff here. I love it. Such a good mix. I'm melting. I love this. So I would love to hear your thoughts down below. And again, if you're interested in subscribing or gifting this, definitely use the link in the description box to save 30%. And yeah, thank you guys. I hope you're safe and healthy. And a big thank you to my channel members. I love you guys so much. I look forward to our next live stream. If you guys want to learn more about channel membership or want to join, there's always a link down in the description box. But yeah, that's it for today. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.